The OnePlus 13T is a compact flagship smartphone that combines high-end performance with a sleek design, catering to users seeking a powerful device in a smaller form factor. Expected to launch in April 2025, the device will debut in China, with plans to expand to international markets shortly thereafter. It features a 6.31-inch OLED display with a 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, providing vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling. Under the hood, the OnePlus 13T is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, ensuring flagship-level performance for multitasking and gaming. The camera setup includes a 50MP main sensor and a 50MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, delivering high-quality photography capabilities. One of its standout features is the 6,000 mAh battery, offering extended usage and supporting 80W SuperVOOC fast charging for quick power-ups. Additionally, the device introduces a smart button, replacing the traditional alert slider, allowing users to customize tasks and shortcuts for enhanced functionality. With its blend of performance, design, and innovative features, the OnePlus 13T is poised to compete with other premium compact smartphones in the market.